Welcome back to MS Car Reviews. Today we are diving into something truly futuristic, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling masterpiece that blends luxury, performance, and innovation in one spectacular design. Let's start with the exterior, which immediately grabs attention. The sleek, futuristic body lines, sharp LED lighting elements, and aerodynamic sculpting make this motorhome look more like a spaceship than a traditional RV. BMW has gone for a bold, multi-axle setup, ensuring stability and power on the road, while the oversized tinted glass panels give it a commanding and modern presence. The signature BMW styling cues, including illuminated badges and premium chrome detailing, make it stand out in any environment, whether it's cruising highways or parked at a luxury resort. Step inside and the magic continues. The interior feels like stepping into a five-star hotel suite. BMW has designed the cabin with a minimalist yet ultra-luxurious approach. Premium leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and smart glass windows that adjust transparency all contribute to the futuristic feel. The living area is spacious with reclining lounge chairs, a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, and a high-tech entertainment system. The bedroom offers a king-sized bed with memory foam comfort, while the bathroom comes with a rainfall shower and premium fixtures. Every detail inside is crafted with precision, blending comfort and cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, BMW has equipped this motorhome with a hybrid powertrain, combining electric motors with a high-performance combustion engine. This ensures not only long-range travel, but also eco-friendly efficiency. The motorhome delivers smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet operation in electric mode, and the capability to handle long-distance journeys with ease. Advanced air suspension keeps the ride comfortable, and the intelligent drive assist systems make piloting this massive vehicle surprisingly easy, even in tight spaces. When it comes to price, luxury always comes at a premium, and this BMW motorhome is no exception. Starting at around $1.2 million, it is clearly aimed at the high-end market. But for those who demand the very best in luxury travel, performance, and design, the 2026 BMW Motorhome delivers an experience unlike anything else on the road.